How to see your blocked contacts on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your blocked contacts on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So first thing you have to do, go to Microsoft Teams and go to the top corner, click on your profile picture and go to settings. Now here you will find many options. Or what you have to do is go down until you find this people option. Click on people and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find two options, and here is the blocked contacts option. Click on it and here you will find your blocked contacts. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.